Hi, it's Tony, your Pop-Pop's Workshop, and we have another large board being made this week. So follow along. We're going to take the board from this to this. So follow along as we take this walnut and curly maple, this turned out fabulous by the way, into a wonderful product that's going to find its new home this week. All right, so as you saw, we used the track saw to cut this end off, and then I used it to trim just this edge square to that cut. So now I know these are square to each other, so I can throw that side onto the table saw and be able to cut the other side, and then we'll do the track saw again on the other end with the square, get another cut over there, have a nice square board, and then we'll repeat it on the other one. But if you happen to be looking for a track saw and you want to go inexpensive without sacrificing some quality, this Wen has not let me down yet. It's got a good depth of cut. Being 7 1/4 can do pretty deep cuts, and yeah, it did a really nice cut on that maple. Never bogged down. Cross cut the walnut and maple there without an issue, so didn't have to make multiple passes. Just one pass and it was done. So if you're in the market, there's something I would recommend. All right, so that went really well. Obviously, you came in after it had all been glued up and everything. The glue up was fairly basic, some strips and everything. But what I saw after the glue up meant I really need to do a video on this. And it's this curly maple that we've got, and it's the outsides in the center here. This stuff, I mean, you can feel the curl in here. It's just phenomenal. And the reason you can feel is because we use the cutting board oil from Walrus Oil along with the wax. That oil really moisturized this board, but it also kind of really makes it so you can feel things. That's why we love a good penetrating finish as opposed to a film finish, because when we've got something like this, this is really what sells a board. Being able to touch that and feel that, people will grab this all the time. In fact, this board at the end of the week has a new home. So we're happy about that. It's going to go somewhere. It's going to be appreciated. It's going to be loved. All the products need love. So thanks again to Walrus Oil for really coming through with some great product there. So I'll put a link to where you can get some of that for yourself. But thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this useful, or at least mildly entertaining. We'll go for mildly entertaining. Maybe not useful, but whatever you find it. Thanks again for watching. At any rate, we really appreciate that you've taken your time to do that. And as always, remember, you can do this.